Mathematics class 11 chapter 9 sequences and series. In the last class we have started exercise 9.4 up to question number 5 we have studied. Today we shall study the remaining questions of exercise 9.4. Question number 6. 3 into 8 plus 6 into 11 plus 9 into 14 plus up to plus and terms. So we are given here 3 into 8 plus 6 into 11 plus 9 into 14 plus up to plus n terms. So an equal to n term of the first terms in the product, that is 3, 6, 9 and so on, and into n term of 8, 11, 14 and so on, right? So here we use the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. So for this, when you write the nth term, then first term is 3, so 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference 6 minus 3, that is 3. For this, when you use the formula, the first term a is 8, so 8 plus n minus 1, the common difference 11 minus 8, that is 3. So here 3, then multiply this inside, so plus 3n minus 3 into 1 minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, and here 8 plus 3 into n is 3n minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Here plus 3 minus 3 comes, so you get here 3n, and here 3n, 8 minus 3 will give you plus 5. Multiply this inside, so 3n into 3n is 9n square, 3n into 5 is plus 15n. Now we have to find the sum, so sum Sn equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n ak equal to sum of this part. So sigma k equal to 1 to n 9 k square plus 15 k. Now we place the value k starting from 1. So here you put first 1, then 2, 3 and so on. So 9 into 1 square plus 15 into 1 plus 9 into 2 square plus 15 into 2. Next term will be 9 into 3 square plus 15 into 3 plus up to plus 9 into n square plus 15n. Now we'll take all these 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to n square, and the coefficient of them all is 9. So take common from there. So you get 9 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to plus n square. Plus from all these terms you can take 15 common. So 15 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus n, right? Now this formula we know, this is the series which is given as n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6, and this 9 as it is plus 15, and this is also series given as n into n plus 1 by 2, right? Here I can cut this 9 and 6, so I can cut by 3. So 3 and 3 9 and 3 2s are 6. So here 3 remains, here 2 remains, right? Now both these terms have got n and n plus 1 common, so you can take out. So n into n plus 1 divide by 2, also both have got, so I take 2 common. So here remains 2n plus 1, and this 3 is there, so that 3 will remain. Plus here remains 15. This all term is taken out. So here n into n plus 1 by 2 as it is. Multiply inside, so 3 into 2 6n plus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 15. 3 plus 15 is 18. 6n, and these terms are as it is. So you get here, see 6n plus 18, right? From this, if I take 6 common, then here comes 6 and n into n plus 1 as it is. If I take 6 common, here remains n, and here 6 3s are 18, so here remains 3 plus 3 divided by 2. This 6 can cut by 2, so you get here 3n, n plus 1, n plus 3. So that is solution for question number 6. Question number 7. 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to plus n terms. We are given here 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to plus n terms. Now an is given as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to plus n square, and this series we know it as a n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Okay, this is the formula or series given as n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6, right? Now here I multiply inside, so when you multiply these three terms you get 2n cube plus 3n square plus n divided by these 6. Now we have to find the sum, so sigma k equal to 1 to n, that is Sn 1 by 6, this one, 2 into k cube plus 3 into k square plus k. Now we'll place the value starting from k equal to 1. So 1 by 6 as it is, 2 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus k is 1 plus 1 by 6. Now put 2. So 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus k equal to 2 plus next will be 2 into 3 cube plus 3 into 3 square plus 3 plus up to plus 1 by 6. Nth term is 2n cube plus 3n square plus n. Now this the cube terms we can take together, and all these cube terms have got 2 common, so I take 2 common. Okay, so 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube. Okay, and all have got 1 by 6, so I am taking 1 by 6 common. Okay, plus now the square terms, all the square term have got coefficient 3, so I can take 3 common. So 3 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to plus n square. And next one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus n. So this is the sum of the natural number. Okay, and natural numbers. So here 1 by 6 as it is, 2 as it is, and this formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, plus 3 as it is, and this formula is n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6, plus this is given as n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, these are the formulas or series. Here 1 by 6 is 6 as it is, all have got n plus 1, n plus 1, so I can take n plus 1. Okay, and also all have got 2 in the denominator, so I can take 2 common. Here I have cut, okay, here 3 and here 6, so I cut this 6 by 3, so you get here 2. Okay, so this 2 is taken out, this 2 is taken out, and here 2 square is also 1 2 is taken out. Okay, 2 remains as it is, n into n plus 1 remains, square is there, so 1 is taken, 1 remains, and here 2 square is 4, so 1 2 is taken, so here remains 2, plus here this n into n plus 1 is taken, so you get here 2n plus 1, and this 2 also is taken, plus here remains only 1. This 2 and 2 you can cut. Now here this one is n into n plus 1 by 12, and here this is cut, so you get here n into n plus 1, but I multiply inside, so n into n is n square, plus 1 into n is n, plus 2n plus 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, now n into n plus 1, here n square as it is, n plus 2n is 3n plus 2 divided by this 12, n into n plus 1, this if you split the middle term you get the factors n plus 1 n plus 2 divided by 12. This is the same term, so multiplication you can write as a square, so I can write n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 divided by 12. So that is solution for question number 7. Find the sum to n terms of the series in exercise 8 to 10 whose n term is given by question number 8, n into n plus 1 into n plus 4. So we are given an equal to n into n plus 1 n plus 2. Okay, multiply inside. So these 3 terms if you multiply you get as n cube plus 5n square plus 4n. Okay, now you have to find the sum. So Sn equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n k cube plus 5k square plus 4k. Okay, let us start the putting the value starting from 1 to n. Okay, that is the value of k. So 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus now put 2. So 2 cube plus 5 into 2 square plus 4 into 2. Next term will be 3. So 3 cube plus 5 into 3 square plus 4 into 3 plus up to plus. Now put n. So n cube plus 5n square plus 4n. Now cube term together, square term together, and n terms together. Okay. So here get 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to plus n cube. Plus, see, the square terms have got, all have got 5 multiple. Okay, 5 has a coefficient, so you can take 5 common. So here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to plus n square. Plus all these terms have got 4 common, right? Coefficient is 4, so you can take 4 common. So 4 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus n. This series we know as n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 5, and this series also we know it is n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6 plus 4 as it is, and this series also we know n into n plus 1 by 2. Now all have got n into n plus 1. Okay, but before that, yes, I am squaring this. So n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 2 square as 4. Okay, plus this I am writing as it is. This also here I have cut 4 by 2, so we get here 2n n plus 1. Now I take n into n plus 1 common. Okay, from all 3 terms. So n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 common. So here remains 1n into n plus 1 divided by 4 plus 5. So 5 into 2 is 10n, 5 into 1 is 5 divided by 6 plus this term is taken, so here remains only 2. Okay, now here n into n plus 1 as it is, and I'll take for this part LCM. LCM is 12, so I need to multiply here by 3. So here 3 and this n you multiply, so 3n into n is 3n square plus 3n into 1 is 3n plus here you need to multiply by 2. So 2 into 10 is 20n plus 2 into 5 is 10 plus here you need to multiply by 12. So 12 into 2 is 24 divided by the LCM, which is 12. N into n plus 1 as it is, 3n square plus 3n plus 20n gives you 23n plus 10 into 10 plus 24 is 34 divided by 12. So that is solution for question number 8. Question number 9. N square plus 2n power n. It is 2 power n, okay, not 2n. N square plus 2 power n. So we are given here an equal to n square plus 2 power n. So directly we will write sum equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n, ek equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n, this value. So k square plus 2 power k. So let us place the value k starting from 1. So 1 square plus 2 power 1 plus 2 square plus 2 power 2 plus 3 square plus 2 power 3 plus, let's write one more term, 4 square plus 2 power 4 plus up to plus n square plus 2 power n, right? Now here let us write the square term together. So here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to plus n square, and the second term is plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 plus up to plus 2 power n, but this is nothing but your GP. Okay, so for this I will use the series formula, that is n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Okay, that is the formula for this one, and this I will use the GP. Here the first term is a equal to 2, and the common ratio 2 square by 2 will give you 2, so common ratio r equal to 2. So here this 2 is greater than 1, so the formula for GP will be a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, the sum of the n terms is a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So let us place here. So here a is 2, so 2 into r power n, so r also is 2, so 2 power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, that is 2 minus 1. So here this is as it is, n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6 plus 2 power n minus 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1, which no need to write. So that is solution for question number 9. Question number 10. 2n minus 1 whole square. We are given here an equal to 2n minus 1 whole square. So this is a, use a minus b whole square and expand b. So when you expand this, 2n whole square will give you 4n square minus the middle term 2 into 2n into 1. So minus 2n into 2 is 4n plus 1. 1 square is 1, right? I am using a minus b whole square and expanding this 2n minus 1 whole square. Okay, now find the sum. Sn equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n, ak equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n, this value 4k square minus 4k plus 1, right? Now let us place the value of k starting from 1. So 4 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 1 plus now 2. So 4 into 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 1 plus next term will be 4 into 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 1 plus up to plus, put the last value as n, 4n square minus 4n plus 1, right? Now let us take the square term and the all the square term, right? First let us get square term, then these terms 1 2 3 term, and then only the 1, right? So here when you take the square term, it has got coefficient 4, so I am taking 4 common. So 4 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to plus n square, minus from all these terms I can take 4 common. So minus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus n, plus here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times. So it will come n into 1 equal to n. Okay, and this series we know it is n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6, and this 4 is as it is, minus this 4 is as it is, and this series is n into n plus 1 by 2, plus this is n times 1, so n into 1, which gives you n. Now all these terms have got n, so I am taking n common. Okay, all the terms have got n common. Here I can cut by 2, so when you cut by 2, here remains 2 and here remains 3. Here n plus 1 and 2n plus 1 as it is. Here also you can cut by 2, so we get here 2n, sorry, n is already taken out, so here 2n plus 1 plus here n is taken, so here remains only 1, right? Now n as it is, multiply inside, so 2, you remember that you have to multiply n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 and then 2. Okay, so I multiply together, so you get here 2n into 2 will give you 4n square plus 6n, okay, plus 2. If you multiply, you get this much value, right? And this you multiply, so, and also you take the LCM, so you take LCM here, so 2 into 3 6, so 6 into this one, so 6 into n 6n minus 6, and here also multiply by 3 because taking LCM, so you get here 3 into 1, so 3, denominator is 3, right? This gives you n 4n square, 6n minus 6n will cut, plus 2 minus 6 plus 3 will give you minus 1, divide by the denominator 3. So this can be written as, if you write this as a 2n whole square minus 1 square, so you can use a square minus b square form, and using a square minus b square form, this simplification is n into 2n plus 1 to n minus 1. Okay, this will be written as 2n whole square minus 1 square. Okay, so this is solution for question number 10. Here we end the exercise 9.4. Still there is miscellaneous, but I leave it for you to study by yourself. If any doubt is there, you can always ask. I can help you. But with this, I'll end the chapter 9 of Mathematics class 11. Thank you very much.